Deleting a contact in ManyChat permanently removes a subscriber from your platform, preventing automated interactions and further data collection. This is crucial for maintaining a clean subscriber list, avoiding spam complaints, and ensuring data privacy compliance with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. As of late 2025, the process is straightforward. Navigate to Audience, search for the contact, and select Delete or Remove. However, ManyChat emphasizes that deletion only removes the contact from their platform and not from integrated platforms like Facebook or Instagram. To ensure safe removal, especially with the enhanced privacy compliance tools introduced in 2024-2025, consider anonymizing the contact before deletion. This feature scrambles identifiable information, adding an extra layer of data protection. Remember, deletions are irreversible after 30 days, according to ManyChat's policy, so it's wise to export any relevant data via CSV beforehand. To ensure compliance and efficiency, adopt best practices such as exporting data before deletion for backups, especially when dealing with sensitive information. It's also important to check if the contact is linked to multiple channels like Messenger and SMS, and handle deletions across all platforms accordingly. As of 2025, there's a growing trend towards privacy-first design, with ManyChat reporting a 40% increase in users opting for bulk anonymization. Looking ahead to 2026-2027, expect AI-driven predictive deletions, where the platform suggests removing inactive subscribers to optimize performance. ManyChat also plans to integrate blockchain for immutable audit trails of deletions, enhancing transparency. Platforms are also moving towards green data practices, minimizing storage for deleted contacts. Industry experts emphasize the importance of deliberate deletion to build trust. Regularly review and clean your contact lists to improve engagement rates and reduce the risk of non-compliance with data protection laws.